Good morning, time to wake up.
Good morning, time to wake up.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Get dressed quickly.
Get dressed quickly.
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Don't spill your drink.
Don't spill your drink.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Don't forget your backpack.
Don't forget your backpack.
Look both ways before crossing.
Look both ways before crossing.
Time for school.
Time for school.
Welcome back from school.
Welcome back from school.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Time to relax.
Time to relax.
Let's do your homework.
Let's do your homework.
Do you need help with your homework?
Do you need help with your homework?
Time for a healthy snack.
Time for a healthy snack.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Go outside and get some fresh air.
Go outside and get some fresh air.
Time to come back inside.
Time to come back inside.
Time to wash up for dinner.
Time to wash up for dinner.
Help me with dinner, please.
Help me with dinner, please.
Use your napkin.
Use your napkin.
Try your vegetables.
Try your vegetables.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Finish your meal.
Finish your meal.
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
Prepare your school bag for tomorrow.
Prepare your school bag for tomorrow.
Time to get ready for bed.
Time to get ready for bed.
Put on your pajamas.
Put on your pajamas.
Brush your teeth again.
Brush your teeth again.
Let's pick a story.
Let's pick a story.
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night, sleep tight.